getting ready for Monday morning. Hope all is well with everyone. And I'm sorry that I did not record shampooing my hair or adding these flexi rods. But, you know, if you've seen me shampoo my hair once, you've seen me do it 1,000 times. So I shampooed my hair on Saturday afternoon, and I was able to sleep with these flexi rods all weekend. Just different colors. No, I did not do a twist set. I don't retwist my hair that often, so I figured I'd at least have some curls, a little bit bounce, and a little body for the week. Something that'll last probably about 2 weeks if I take the bobby pins and just, fold them back up. But as you can see, this is my morning process, just taking these rods out, and yeah, pretty much that's it. Just getting ready for the morning. So nothing special. Again, if you have not taken the time to subscribe, like, comment, or share, please do so that we can help this channel grow. Yeah. Okay, I'm liking this. So I think this is going to be a staple for me, because normally I would spiral set my hair with the perm rods, which are so hard to sleep on, and it takes so much longer for it to dry. But yeah, see, the proof is in the pudding. Check that back out. Just randomly grab the hair and wrap it on the rod for whatever diameter that you're going for, and just allow it to do its thing. So yeah, I'm almost finished. Keep watching. I didn't realize I had so many of these rods in there until it's time to take them out. They were actually comfortable to sleep on. So again, hey, make sure you all check out Shanae's hair journey. That's my other page as well. I'm gonna put this video over there as well. I think if you go over there and check it out, you'll see some pretty cool videos on some lock tips and techniques, as well as my daughter doing some work on this. So yeah, go over there and check that out for me, please. Definitely, I appreciate that. I am almost finished with this, and I wait till the last minute before I start taking these rods out, because the last thing you need is for one of your curls to just drop after having these things in your hair the duration of a weekend. All right, I'm getting there. See how that one didn't have a full form to it? That's what I'm talking about. It was dry. All right, let me give these eyes a little bit of life. Make these lashes pop just a little bit. Nothing much. I'm not a heavy makeup person. Just put a little something on them eyes and the lips and get on out the door. Alright, yeah, I'm feeling this style right here. This is gonna work. No setting product, no retwist lotion. The only thing that I did put on my hair was some argan oil on my scalp. My scalp has been dry lately.
Good morning, Monday.
Okay.
Good morning, gorgeous. You're only as beautiful as you think you are.
Don't pay the
Have a blessed day.
Any attention. I'm just all over the place. All right, so that's the last check before I get ready to go. All right, I put a little color on the eyes. Got a little shine on the lips. Moisturize the skin. All right, wait for it. Let me get the last look in. Y'all, come on, it's time to go. Let me get this coat on so I can get on out this door, because I could just sit here and entertain with y'all all day. And of course, that's not going to do any good on Monday, because I got to go to work. Oh yeah, gotta have that charm. That's my beautiful charm that was given to me. A picture of myself and my daughter on there. Forever Ebony. Gotta get that untangled so we can get that right and we can get on about this door. Alright, well, I appreciate you all checking me out this morning and listening to Absolutely Nothing. Thank you for your love, support, and have a good day. Good morning, gorgeous. Bye-bye.